Yes.
But we begin with a disturbing trend of rising violence during this heat wave. In the last 4 days, there have been 7 cases of gun violence here in Acadiana, several of them actually deadly. News 15's Ryan Hennessy examines the start of our long, hot summer.
7 shootings in Acadiana have left 3 dead and 4 wounded in truly too short of a time period, 4 days. Some believe there is a relationship between summer heat and the rise in violence that happens on an annual basis. But regardless, the Jeanerette Police Assistant Chief has expressed frustration with the beginnings of this trend during our heat wave that killed 1 and wounded another on Peach Street.
We do the best of our ability to prevent these things from happening, but we can't stop them. You know, we can try to minimize them, but it's virtually impossible to stop them because once we're called, the incidents had already taken place.
Both Eunice and Lafayette also suffered double shootings. Beginning with the murder in Lafayette, deputies in Mississippi caught Justin Weber, charging him for the killing of Randall Dubilchin at the 200 block of Leon Street. Weber is being extradited back to Lafayette. Meantime, Irvin Gant of Lafayette was arrested for attempted murder. Authorities say he first threatened to shoot someone and then returned to the 100 block of View Orleans Circle a short time later to make good on that threat. Luckily, that individual was not hit. Now to Eunice for the 3rd murder in this short time period. 2 men in a car were shot near the Acadian Medical Center. The driver, Delridge Isaiah Robinson, was hit in the head and died. The passenger went to the hospital.
The hospital then called us and said that someone picked them up. Shortly thereafter, Eunice Police Department got another call that they had a shooting at the Crestview and Tamaran apartments. There was some injuries. Our detectives are working together with the Eunice Police Department and connected the case that it is going to be a joint investigation.
That second shooting hit Diedrich Viggers while he was riding in a car. Lakeisha Viggers also suffered a non-life-threatening gunshot wound during the earlier incident, which took place outside of the city limits east of Eunice. Now, Opelousas also saw a drive-by shooting that targeted a house at the 1300 block of Henry Street. Fortunately, no one was hurt, but police need help finding a silver car used by the shooters. And rounding out the violent heat wave, Louisiana State Police are investigating the shooting of a suspect by the Evangeline Parish Sheriff's Office at Louisiana Highway 13 at Junction Road near Ville Platte. Reporting for News 15, I'm Ryan Hennessy.